Good evening, sir. I am Shermi Amasan from BSIS 3A. Activity 1. Compare and contrast. Governance versus management. Governance refers to the system by which an organization is directed and controlled. It involves setting the strategy, direction, defining policies, and ensuring accountability. Management involves the execution of the organization's strategy. It focuses on day-to-day operation, resource allocation, and achieving organization goals. Core difference: governance, strategy direction; management, day-to-day execution.
name is Kemi Kubulan. My topic is the example of governance and management. So the governance might involve the board of directors shaping a cybersecurity policy to protect customers' data, and the management will then implement that policy by assigning rules, training staff, and deploying security tools. And the governance versus compliance. So the governance internally driving focusing on defining the organization's values, policies, and structures. It's about how the organization should behave. Compliance is externally driven, focusing on meeting legal, regulators, or contractual requirements. Is about proving that as the organization is following rules, core differences, governance, external driving, compliance. The compliance is externally driving.
Good evening, sir. My name is Lindy Tisepto, BSIS3. Here's an example of core difference. First, governance might be involved establishing a data privacy policy to protect customer information. The second is compliance will be involved ensuring that the organization meets the requirements of GDPR, HIPEE, or other regulation. The third is auditing, a periodic process that evaluates whether control are functioning as intended. It's a very verifying activity that checks the state of the system at a specific point in the time. The fourth is monitoring, an ongoing process that detects threats, anomalies, or the activity that focuses on the current worst of incidents.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Alvin Montecol. Auditing and monitoring. So, when you say auditing, is a periodic and verifying, or it is a periodic process that evaluates whether controls are functioning as intended. It is a verifying activity that checking the status of the systems at a specific point in time. Examples is it might involve a yearly review of the company's data security policies to ensure they align with governance and compliance requirements. On the other hand, when we say monitoring, in short, it is always on and on detective, or it is an ongoing process that detects threats, anomalies, or suspicious activities that focus on the current risk in incident. Example: it might involve a real-time intrusion detection systems that alert the security team to potential breaches as they occur. The similarities of auditing and monitoring. The first one is auditing. The similarities it provides a snapshot, a formal check-up to confirm the governance structures are sound and compliance requirements are being met each other. And monitoring it provides a continuous surveillance acting as an early warning system to detect issues or they arise allowing for immediate response and proactive risk management within both internal governance and external context.